guys, it's Stefan from the Hypematic Entrepreneur. Today I want to just give you all an update because on Saturday I'm going to Japan on a holiday trip for about a week, and just want to make you all aware of kind of what my plans are for both for the content and the projects I'm doing for the business, so that you're a bit up to speed about what to expect from the channel over the next week, and know a bit of the things that I'm working on at the moment. So I'm going to be in Japan in around Tokyo and Kyoto area from this Saturday. Uh, it's 3 4 days from now. Yeah, it's the 23rd of March, and until the following Sunday. And yeah, so I'm going to be traveling with my family then, and enjoy the country. So uh, I'm planning while I'm there. I'm still planning to prepare some content to schedule to be released while I'm there. So what I'm planning on doing is at least to get out some schedule some shorts, making based on the videos I've published now recently. I'm planning to get out some more content, make some YouTube shorts and schedule them throughout the weekend and following week while I'm in Japan. And I'm probably also going to make some short videos on blogs talking about what I'm doing there, and some other thoughts and insights I may come up with on the way. But yeah, I want to enjoy my experience there with my family and take the time to process everything I have on my mind, both when it comes to the future of this channel and my my consulting business and the 9 to 5, and all the other things that I'm working on. So right now, there's a lot of experimentation with data structure and everything. I got the calories tracker. I got got streamlined the LinkedIn marketing and streamlined search engine optimization for YouTube. And now I'm building a new, testing out a new data structure for for income allocation, for making the most use of my income to reinvest. And yeah, so a lot of interesting things. I'm at least interesting for me, that has a lot of value and makes my life a lot easier when I have these data structures. So so yeah, these are some of the things I'm planning to get ready for when I'm away in Japan. So going to at least get out some YouTube shorts, and going to pre-schedule at least some LinkedIn content for my LinkedIn page. So be sure to follow me there also if you're active on LinkedIn, and and yeah, other than that, it will be more sporadic content. So don't expect daily YouTube videos over the next at least not long format videos over the next week while I'm there. But I will try to at least uh, keep you all updated at least a little bit on what I'm doing there. So, but be sure to leave a comment what you all think, and be sure to like and subscribe for more. And I will. And if you guys have been to Japan, have any ideas, or especially in Tokyo or Kyoto, have any suggestions of what to check out while I'm there, I would be really grateful for your recommendations. So thank you very much, and I will see you all later. Have a great rest of the week.